Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka Jingpynlip nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka Jingpynlip ka Jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Suki hila ban yo na barok kidukan Menteri ke Sarkar Jylla bapet ya ketenat sam Bording UET Mondal hakan riutrik unaitung arca apulai uloong baka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kalarai ban Pynduna no ya ke Jingpynlip Bording Suki pasuki hadien ke jingdap hakipung berkiwa na ke jing thea jong uslap hagi khndet tayau balalik no Hakajing krem ikla pathai kubor umandal ulaong baka jing thmu ban Pynduna no ya ka Jingpynlip Bording kalong hadin baka sarkar kala Pynduna ru ya ka jing thit Bording hakador ka baram namar ka jingdap hagi slempet mi Bording
To reduce load shedding on phased manner. This season we have banked a lot of power with commitment that the moment we are surplus we will return to them. So we are working on that. Moreover, we have reduced our purchasing also because at one point of time we were purchasing at quite high rate. So we stopped purchasing on high rates. That's why we will try to see that as early as possible to reduce, but load shedding may be there with a reduced period. See is that as of now there is nothing to mitigate the problem. But on future basis, we are working on various sectors to see that at one time generation can be increased, losses can be minimized. Okay, on this way we are trying to see that our power problem will be solved. The Honorable High Court and they have taken due importance in this case. See. Last few days or months, we were purchasing power at very high rate to the tune of 3 crore per day. So if it is available, we can purchase, there is no problem. And rate is also a factor on which we got to see. First and foremost thing that it should be available in the market. We purchased from private entities also, but rate was quite high.